So we're back at Johnny's. They've got the framing finished, the roof is on and tar papered. The plumbers are here today. They're gonna get started. We're in the garage here. They've got the floor drain in the garage and it piped out the back of the house. Now they're doing the grade for the styrofoam because Johnny's gonna do radiant heat in the floor. He's gonna do Wurzbow. So they're getting that graded up. Then we're gonna lay down the 2-inch foam and they're gonna pour the floor in a couple days. So that's what we're gonna work on today. Let's see what's involved. So now Johnny and my dad are installing this PEX tubing. It's a product by Uponor. This will be for the radiant heat in the garage slab, and they're also going to do the same thing in the house as well. So we've got tighter runs. They're about 6 inches apart in front of the garage door, and then out in the field here, they'll be about a foot apart. And you want to try to do equal 300-foot chunks, and it goes through the wall over there into the house where it'll hook up to the natural gas boiler. So here's the product we're using. So we're just wrapping up here, and my dad John will explain kind of what we've done so far and what the next steps are going to be.
Johnny and I were out yesterday and got the floor graded and compacted. Today we laid the 2-inch styrofoam down, then installed the Wurzbow tubing for the in-floor heat. Got that all stapled down. We installed a floor drain today, which is right here. This is just a wood box that when we pour the floor, we're going to encase it in concrete. It has a 1-inch strip around the edge. When we pour that off, it's going to give us a ledge. Then we'll put a grate over that. There's a pipe you can't see coming out of the back of this. It slopes to the back of the garage, and then we're going to daylight it out down the hill. So any water that comes in here will flow out.
And you've got pitch from like the pitch to this floor drain from this half of the garage to here, right? And
Yep. So everything on the front here is pitched in. It's level around the outside. Everything pitches down into the drain. The back half of the garage is going to be used mainly for storage. The cars will come up here so they can wash their cars in here, or when the snow and ice melts off the car, everything will go into the drain. They won't have any water standing on the floor. The back half, like I said, is going to be pretty much used for storage. So we poured that flat, so anything they put on there is not going to roll around.
And then you'll put your little thermal break, little big 1-inch styrofoam around the edge.
Correct.
Before you pour.
Yes.
All right, well, I'm Jesse with American Radon.
John with Stone Ridge.
Thank you so much for watching.